Grandmother,
Yes, darling.
tell me a story about humanity.
Well, a long time ago, the world was very technological. People invented cars, flew across the sky on airplanes, and even conquered space.
Isn't that good?
Every progress has a downside, dear. People began to destroy nature, but for some reason, also each other. Then Mother Nature began to respond in kind. The planet was getting so hot, glaciers were melting, cities were turning to ashes.
But why are not we hot?
Because our ancestors lived in the coldest corner of the planet.